I think if you just look at it today, if any of the larger brands, 10 to 13% of an FMCG budget goes on advertising. Some of these brands have 500 crores, 800 crores, 1,000 crores of advertising. So the way I look at it is that if you want to collect first party data, you need to engage with customers directly. So can you spend 10%, 20%, 30% of your budget towards content creation? So let me tell you what my thought about digital advertising is and how content becomes a very important strategy, both from a digital point of view as well as first party data collection point of view. If you take, there are three pillars of digital. There is paid media, there is organic, and the third is social. What happens is if you have content, you can get same paid media at half the cost because relevancy on Google and Facebook gives you the same media at cheaper cost because there is higher CTR, there's higher quality score, you get it at cheaper prices. So even if you spend 30% of your budget on content creation, if you get the same click at half the cost, you actually save money, but you still build your own IP. All of organic traffic comes only from content, right? Because Google's job is to make sure that the most relevant target audience comes based on the keyword the person searched for, and content creates the relevancy. So content gives you a multiplier for organic traffic. All of EdgeRank on Facebook all depends on relevancy and engagement of the audience. So you get a higher engagement with the consumer if you audience are engaged with you on social media. So content creates engagement. So if you ask me, there are three pillars of digital. Content creates a multiplier for all the three pillars. So my recommendation is, if you really want to push the pedal, can you allocate 30% of your budget, of your total advertising budget towards content creation? Can you become one of the largest publishers in that industry and then use that to reduce your cost of acquisition across all the three pillars? So I'm saying is that it's not a risk. You try it with, take 10% of your budget, put 3 rupees out of the 10% and create content and use the 7 rupees for advertising. If that 10 rupees gives you better ROI than what your remaining 90%, which is spent only on advertising, gives you, then you can take that approach.